Basketball we are back at it again. And I bet you can hear it in my voice, but guess what? It is worth it because we are undefeated in our season and we're going to continue to be. I just want to make winners and I want to continue to keep coaching winners. So let's keep going, basketball. You know what time it is. It's the beginning of the week and we need to work as hard as we can going in to what for most may be half the season already. So let's get started. We're going right into cone dribbling. Yeah, that's right. We're working those handles. So we're going to do every single drill we did with cone dribbling today. And that is going to be 2 sets of everything. Okay, so you're going to go down the cones and back. And that's only going to be 1 set. All right. And then we're going to do what we came to do, and that is be in shape, be in the best shape, and be able to make plays while we're tired. So with saying that, we are going to go through some defensive things today because we haven't in a while. Like we've done a couple, but we're going to go through all our defensive things. So we're going to work our closeout, sliding across, sliding diagonally, sprinting, which is our box drill basically. And then we're going to work on our box drill where they do these drills in the NBA and they sprint down, they slide, they backpedal, they slide across, slide back, sprint, slide, and then backpedal. We got our 6 cone drill today. Oh yeah, we are going to get into it. Then we have our lane to lane. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be quick. It's going to be fast. And it is not going to be easy. I need you to know that right now as we're going to prepare to turn it up now. Some people get comfortable during the season, right? They don't think they should work as hard. They're going to sit at home because they're tired from practice and they just, they think they're doing enough. Doing enough will get you beat. And we don't want to get beat, right? We don't want to get beat out for a position. We don't want to get beat out in a race. We don't want to get beat in a game, right? We want to make it to that championship game at the end of the day. And what you have to do is put in extra time, put in extra effort, and put in extra work, okay? So these reps, everything is 2, okay? Everything is 2. You're only doing 2 sets of every single thing that I'm asking you to do or showing you on the screen. So please keep that in mind. There's no time limit to anything other than the defensive slides from key to key. You're going to do 2 sets of 20 on that. So when you touch one side of the key, it's 1. When you touch the other side of the key, it's 2. All right. So that's the only thing that's going to have like a number on it. When we go into that. Also another defensive one is going to be our sprint, plant, slide right, slide left, and then same thing after the second set. You're going to go left, then go all the way right, then come back middle and back pedal. Okay, so don't forget that as well. After all of that, of course, you need a water break and you deserve one, so go ahead and take one. But after the water break, I want you to come to that free throw line and I want you to make a quick 10 free throws. Free throws are very important. How important are they? For instance, in our game this weekend, we won the game because of the free throw line. They missed about 4 or 5 free throws at the end of the game. We ended up winning the game by 3. So a couple of those missed free throws and a couple of made free throws by us has definitely changed the outlook of a basketball game. So please get to that line and take it serious as possible. All right, with a lot of focus, working on that same form and that same routine. The reason we develop a routine is because the free throw line is a place where you can be all by yourself. And if you're not at home, the crowd is going against you. And when all that noise is happening, you want to take yourself to a place where you know you're comfortable, you know you're relaxed, and you know you can make the shot. Okay, so please focus on on those free throws. After making those free throws, we are working on layups. Layups is one of the most overlooked, easiest skills in basketball, but we do not convert on it as effectively as we should. And that is part of not being disciplined and wanting to do it with focus every time. So when we do these layups, everything's going to be on a time limit today. And these are going to be 1 minute layup drills. Okay, so first we're going to go makes, right? Just right under the basket. You're doing it for a minute straight on the right side, a minute straight on the left side. Then we're going into throwing it out, working our footwork. And we're going straight up. We are laying it up. We're laying it up. 1 minute, all right side, all same footwork. You're just going to do it over and over and over again until your body is just doing it to where it's so natural. It's easy for you, right? And you're doing the same thing on the left side, okay? Then you're going to work your floaters, right? Minute floaters. Minute on the right, minute in the middle, minute on the left, all right? And then we're going to work our dribble up, make a move, and then go finish the layup, okay? We're working it going across, and we're also working it going straight line, all right? Making the counter moves, working our hesitation, right? All those different things. And then the last one is going to be dribbling at the top. We're going to make all our moves today, whether it's in and out, crossing over, through the legs, behind the back, and we're all going to lay those up as well. Let's split those up into 30 seconds, okay? Because it's so many. So let's do 30 seconds. No secondary move, just straight line drives to the basket. Working on going full speed, okay? Working on going full speed and really focusing on the make. You can work different angles on the backboard. You can go high, you can go wide, however you choose to do it. But the key is doing it while you're tired, because you're definitely going to be after those times come to an end. All right. Then after we complete this, we go back to the free throw line and we make 10 quick free throws. And now we've reached our favorite part of the workout. Oh, yes. No, definitely not shooting. Definitely not shooting. If you were thinking shooting, then you must be new to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, then make sure you comment and let me know so I can get you right, like I've got all my basketball you people right. We are going to go into conditioning. Yes, I'm sorry I had to give you that bad news, but we're definitely going into conditioning, and it is time. It is definitely time to push our limits. So if you're ready to push your limits, let's get ready to go. First thing we're doing is a 17 countdown. Oh yeah, I said the first thing. That means there's more, okay? So if you didn't think there was more, now you know there's gonna be more. 17 countdown. So what is a 17 countdown? We're running sideline to sideline, right? And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 17. Then after you're done, you're going to 15. And after you're done, you're going to 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. We are working, baby. We're working. Okay? That's what we're here to do. If you showed up to relax, then you better go to one of those lo-fi channels. All right? Go and get you a cup of tea. Go and get you some coffee and relax. Because we came to work, baby. This is basketball you. And you know what to do. And that's work all day long. All right. And then also, the next thing we're going to do a liner, that old school liner drill. We're running from the free throw line and back to the baseline, the half court, baseline, to the other free throw line, back to the baseline, full court, back to the baseline. Oh yeah, we're doing that 3 times too. You got to take a break in between because that drill is a tough one. Okay, so in between the 17s, you're going to take a break and rest at least for 45 seconds. And then when you do the liners, you're going to rest for at least 45 seconds. So you're resting just enough to catch your breath, but also still kind of be tired so that you can kind of feel like a game, right? That's the key, right? Everything is about making it feel like the game. So it becomes easy and natural when you play. And those are the conditioning drills that we're doing today. And that is the end of another workout in the books for Basketball U. Again, I can't thank you guys enough for being with us. and working out every day, and I know somebody's out there getting buckets, please let me know who it is, because I need to put your highlights on Basketball U and tell everybody that they can do it just like you. All right, so send your highlights to us too. Send me a link. Just let me know that you're open, so that I know that I can continue to keep giving you this good stuff for the free. All right, and there's one thing I have to tell you. If you don't know, someone's always working. Are you?